Hello everyone, this is going to be a bit of a different video. I'm going to film more of a vlog style outfits that I'm wearing because I am traveling at the moment, and I thought it would be nice to show you kind of what I packed and what I wore. I know it's always so difficult to pack, especially if you're traveling for a long period of time. I'm actually traveling for 2 weeks, and it is fall at the moment, so that makes it even more difficult because you need warmer clothes, and it's not as easy as spring and summer where you can just pack your dresses and sandals and you're good to go. So hopefully this will give you some inspiration if you are traveling in the next while. So I'm going to start with what I am wearing today. So it's actually a very nice day outside. It's going to be nice and warm. So I wanted to wear my cropped leather pants. These are just a go-to for me in fall and winter, and I think they just dress up any outfit. They are nice and unexpected and a great alternative to jeans. So as I said, these are a nice cropped length. I have on my trusty white sneakers, which, to be honest, if you follow me for a while, then you know I wear these quite a lot. They're just a very practical shoe for doing a lot of walking, but I feel that if it's a white sneaker, then it really goes with any outfit, and it still looks very classy and chic, even though it is comfortable. Then I am wearing a white button-down shirt. This is again such a staple, and it's just a great way to kind of almost dress up an outfit because it does feel a bit smarter, and yes, I can't do without a white shirt in my wardrobe. Then to elevate the outfit, I went with this beautiful herringbone blazer. This one I got from Aritzia at the beginning of the season, but I will link alternatives because I know this one is sold out. But I think a blazer is an absolute no-fail. It's one of my go-tos. It has some structure, so it just adds that tailoring to an outfit, making it a bit more elevated. Then I'm just wearing my everyday gold jewelry. My hoops are from Mejuri, but these are sold out. They don't do these anymore, but I found a very similar pair that I will link below. And then just my bracelets and my rings. And then one of my easiest travel hacks is to just slick back your hair into a bun, so it is out of your way. You don't have to fuss with doing your hair in the morning, and I think it just looks really chic and classy. So that is the outfit of the day. And then I'm just gonna grab my top handle bag and we are good to go. So I'll see you for tomorrow's outfit. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday and it's a bit of a rainy day today, so I'm going to show you what I am wearing. And this is probably one of my favorite outfit combinations at the moment. I am wearing these tailored wide leg pants. These are actually from Aritzia last season, but they are absolutely everywhere at the moment, and I will link some alternatives. But I think a pair of tailored pants are just a nice alternative to a pair of jeans. It just feels a bit smarter. Then I am wearing my striped sweater. There's just something about a striped knit that I just always gravitate towards. I think it's just really classic and chic. This one is black and ivory, and then it has the gold buttons going down the shoulders. I think that just adds a very nice detail to elevate it. And then I just tuck the sweater in the front because it is kind of a boxy shape, and the trousers are also wide leg, so I just wanted to give me myself a bit of shape, so I just tucked the sweater in the front. Then I am wearing my white sneakers. These are actually high tops, and I'm not normally one for high tops. I don't know if you'll be able to see. There we go. I'm not usually one for a high top sneaker, but I bought these specifically for my wide leg pants, and I think they just look really great paired with tailored trousers or even jeans, and they are great for walking around if you are traveling or just in general doing a lot of walking, and because they are white, I feel they are very classic and they still look very chic. And then I'm wearing my black YSL belt. I just packed one belt and kind of made sure that it went with all of my outfits, and kind of the capsule outfits that I packed work well with black accessories, so I went with this belt. Then I'm just wearing my everyday gold jewelry. That's just a go-to for me every day. I think it just adds that final touch to complete every look. But yes, so this is kind of the base layer outfit. And because it is raining today, I added my trench coat. I've gotten so much wear out of this. I think a trench coat is an absolute must in any wardrobe. It's really classic and chic, but it's also very practical to keep you dry, and I just love the color of a trench coat. Most trench coats come in this beautiful neutral classic color, and it just goes with everything. So I added my trench coat. This one is more of a relaxed fit, which I love. It makes it really great for casual wear, but you can also dress it up as well. And then I'm wearing my black top handle bag from Coach, and I just love a good structured bag because yes, it goes with some casual looks, but it's also very easy to dress up, and I think there's just something about a structured bag that looks really, really chic. So yes, that is my outfit for this Friday, and I'll see you again for the next outfit. Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday and it is a beautiful sunshine day, but quite chilly. So I had to dress accordingly. So let me show you what I am wearing. So I'm actually wearing the same wide leg trousers that I had on yesterday. They are a wool trouser and they are lined. So they are perfect for when it is chilly outside, nice and warm. And then I am wearing this beautiful cashmere roll neck. This one is from Lily Silk, and I have a feeling that I'm just going to wear it non-stop this fall and winter. It is really, really soft. So if you are someone that itches quite easily with knitwear, then I think this would be perfect because it is really, really soft. And this is a beautiful ivory color, such a great neutral to pair with anything. And I'm thinking of picking up a few more colors because this is just a great basic to wear on its own, but also to layer under jackets or coats like I have done here. So talking about coats, I'm wearing this beautiful structured coat from Aritzia, and I believe it's sold out. They might bring it back this year, but this is just a classic tailored black coat. You'll be able to find it basically anywhere, but I will link a few alternatives. I know that Mango also do some great black coats. I love Mango coats, by the way, so definitely head there if you're looking for a great winter coat. And then again, we're doing a lot of walking today, so I'm wearing my white sneakers, my YSL belt, and then my everyday jewelry. Earrings are from Mejuri, and then my rings are Mejuri and Monica Vinader. And then for my handbag, I'm just doing my structured Coach top handle bag. I'm gonna wear it crossbody. It's just easy to be hands-free when you are walking around. But that is my outfit of the day, and yes, I will see you again for tomorrow's outfit. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today is Sunday and we are heading out in a bit to do some sightseeing. So I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this very dark navy chunky knit that I got from Zara a couple of weeks ago. I was looking for a navy knit for quite a while, and I wanted something that was chunky because I want to be able to wear it with jeans and trousers, but also with some slip skirts. So this one is perfect. It has some wide sleeves that I just pulled out from underneath the blazer, that bit of layering that I love to do. Then I just added this gorgeous herringbone blazer. What's nice about this one, it actually has some black and navy in it, so it picks up on the navy in the knit. And then I'm wearing my straight leg jeans. These are an absolute absolute staple in my wardrobe. Really comfortable, a very modern style of jean if you're looking for an alternative to skinnies, and they just always look very chic, look great with heels, with ankle boots and with some sneakers. I'm wearing my black YSL belt. You can see my Coach handbag there on the bed, and just my everyday gold jewelry, and again my high top sneakers that I've been wearing non-stop. And this is the outfit of the day. Yes, I will see you in the next look. I hope you enjoy the day. Good morning, everyone. Today is actually Wednesday. I skipped a few days because we were traveling, but I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. So today is a double denim look. I just love a good denim on denim outfit. I think it's a classic that never goes out of style. I'm wearing this shirt from Mango last season. It has this exaggerated baby doll collar, slight balloon sleeves that are 3/4. I just love the light wash denim of this one, but it is not available anymore. I have ordered another one from Mango, more of a classic shirt style, which I will probably receive next week, so I will link that. And I'm so excited to wear that because I just love a denim shirt in fall and winter. It's a great layering piece, looks great under knitwear, and you can obviously wear it with some jeans, but it looks amazing styled with some tailored trousers and even leather pants, so it's definitely a go-to for me. Then I'm wearing my straight leg jeans. These ones I got from Zara last year, but Mango also have a similar style, so I will link that. My high top Adidas white sneakers, which just goes with everything, my black YSL belt, and then my everyday gold jewelry, and I'm gonna pop on my black coat, so I will show you what that looks like. And this is the outfit with the black coat. I think it just instantly elevates the look. It has some great tailoring to it, and it's just such a great one to have in your wardrobe. This is the only coat I brought with me while traveling, and it goes with every single outfit. Then I'm wearing my Parker top handle bag from Coach. This one is from last season and I can't find it anywhere online, but I will link some alternatives for you. And that is the outfit of the day. I will see you guys in the next outfit. Hi everyone, today is Friday and this is probably going to be the last of the what I wore series for this last 1.5 weeks. And yes, so I thought I would show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this beautiful pair of wide leg trousers from Aritzia. It's got a beautiful herringbone design to it. I think you'll be able to see in the light. I just love these pants. I love a good pair of tailored pants, and these are just a very nice alternative to black, and it actually has some black and navy in the pattern. So I paired it with this beautiful chunky navy knit from Zara. It's got these very nice wide sleeves and a very nice chunky roll neck, which I love. I'm wearing my YSL belt and then my trusty high top Adidas sneakers. I was lazy today, so I just put my hair up in a bun. There we go. Just put my hair up in a bun, and I'm wearing my everyday gold hoops from Mejuri. These are just, gosh, my favorite. Nice, bold, and a statement earring, and I feel like it dresses up every outfit. So I've got on some gold rings from Monica Vinader and Mejuri, and I'm gonna pop on a blazer before we leave, so I will show you that. Okay, so I actually decided against my blazer because the knit was just too chunky, and now I need a thinner navy knit for layering under my blazers. But I'm just going for my black coat. It's definitely, it never fails me. It goes with literally everything, and I think it just makes the outfit look even more chic. It has some beautiful tailoring, so it elevates every single look I pair it with. My black top handle bag, you're probably sick of seeing this, but as I mentioned in a previous what I wore, this is the only bag that I brought with me, and it just goes with everything. So yes, that is the last outfit of this holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.